Hello guys, thanks so much for watching. So today's video, I am so just pumped to share everything with you. We've been waiting for spring and summer for like a bunch of house projects, like some outdoor projects, some indoor projects. And I'm gonna share with you guys like what's gonna be going on over the next few months. We have some small projects and then we have some huge projects that are gonna be a lot but so worth it. And I know how much you guys are into like the home videos, home updates. I love sharing this stuff with you guys. I just think it's so fun. So I hope that you enjoy this video. Give it a like if you do, subscribe if you're new here. And also a little later in this video, I'm gonna be cooking with Chad, or he's gonna be cooking for me, however you wanna spell it out. He's gonna show like a really easy recipe that's perfect for spring and summer, and it pairs perfectly with the Essenza line from Pellegrino. They're sponsoring this video, and the Essenza line is available at Walmart and walmart.com. You guys know that we drink a ton of sparkling water. We love it, we always have it around, and this line is super delicious. So I can't wait to share that with you too, and let's get started. So the largest project that we have going on is a bathroom. If you have been watching for a while, then you saw that we did a huge bathroom project a few months ago. We have another one to do, except it's a smaller bathroom, so it shouldn't be as bad, but it's his bathroom. So what are we doing in there?
Well, it had hookups for a washer and dryer, but we decided to make it a full bath, so we're gonna put a shower in. Which is gonna be a lot. New vanity, new toilet, make it kind of a man bathroom.
Except I feel like it should be super bright in there and light since it is small and there's not a window, so.
Small.
We're gonna go shopping for that. He has his vanity, he needs a toilet, and I think like hardware and like fixtures and stuff like that. We're gonna go see what they have.
We got plenty of rooms, just pick one. We got sandals shoes in the middle of June, while the J-Box playing our favorite tune. Don't wanna stop in this situation. I live my life like a revolution. No, I don't wanna wait, no. 'Cause I don't wanna wait no more.
Excuse the hair, it's probably everywhere, but we got a lot of stuff for Chad's bathroom. I think we're gonna do an up style in there again, like the same thing that we put in the other bathroom. It's just so easy, especially with this house. It's not our forever house, so I just feel like something that's easy and looks good and is like super versatile. I feel like it's something that like almost anyone would like. I like how they look, I like that they're customizable and all that stuff. So yeah, I think we're probably gonna do the shower version of an up style in there. And what else do we have to pick out? The flooring we have to pick out, shower door. So I mean, I feel like we got a lot of stuff today, but there is a lot of stuff we still need. We're home and Chad's in the shower. I want to show you guys a few small things before a few more large things that we're gonna do. I know it's dark, it's just because the curtains are closed, but I want to show you like what they look like. I'm going to replace the curtains in here. I want something like thicker and nicer. I bought these as like a semi-permanent solution. I knew I'd have them for a little bit, but not forever. So let me know what you guys think. Should I do a print? Should I do something that's solid white? And we have the same ones over here on Chad's side, but I don't know. I just feel like they don't look that great. So let me know what you guys think. Should I do a pattern? Should I do solid? Let me know. And we also are getting a new front door soon. I think I told you guys that. We looked at some at Home Depot. I'm not sure I saw one there that I really want, so I'm gonna look online for that. And then downstairs in the basement, so down here the trim is almost done. I think this is the last one that doesn't have trim. It is so insane to see like things without any trim. It looks completely different. But I don't know why there are so many layers of paint on everything in this house. Like, I guess this isn't, or no, that is paint, right? I don't know. But pretty much everything that we've painted, from like scraping and sanding and all of that, had so many layers of paint, you guys, so many colors. So it's just so nice to see everything like fresh and new. That's one of the reasons we replaced so much of the trim, actually pretty much all of the trim. There's only a few more things we have to do, is just because everything else had so many layers of paint on it and just looked really, really sloppy. So all the trim is almost done down here. It's a little bit thicker and higher. I don't know if you can tell, but maybe if I go like this, you can tell it's not like insanely high, but it definitely is like a higher, thicker trim. I really, really like that style. And all these chairs, we've had these for a long time. I don't know if we're ever going to use them. I was thinking of doing like a table down here, but I don't know if we're gonna end up doing that. So I might keep these, I might sell them, or I don't know what we're gonna do with those chairs, but those I need to figure something out. And then ignore all the laundry on the couch down here, but this is what it's set up like down here for now. This is not like a permanent setup, but I don't think I've shown this to you guys, at least this wall. So yeah, we're gonna figure out what's going on down here. And these bookcases are from IKEA. I had those upstairs. We didn't have anywhere else to put them, so I just put them in here for now, but I don't think they're gonna stay in here. So if you guys have any ideas of what to do on this wall, I don't know if we should do like a built-in thing with like shelving and cabinets or what. I kind of like started this project and then stopped it. And then I wanted to show you guys the plan for outside. So we built this deck, I think it was last summer, and we're gonna stain it this year. I don't know what color. I need to figure that out, and I think we're gonna stain it the same color as the new fence. We're installing a new fence probably as soon as the bathroom is done, and then I'm gonna plant a bunch of flowers. I'm gonna share that with you guys in a video. I think we've had these pots for a really long time, so I don't know where all these even came from. I don't think we bought those. I think those were like a family hand-me-down or something, but I need to figure out what we're gonna do with all of our flowers and potted plants. And what I really want to do out here is like a lounge area and a seating area over here, and then a table and chairs in this area. And that is a table. I'm sure you can tell it's all wrapped up right now since we aren't sitting out here yet, but yeah, so here's the grill over here, and then probably the seating area with what do you call it, like a fake roof thing. I can't remember what those are called. I'm gonna put in a picture. And then over here it's going to be sunny and open. And now I'm just waiting for Chad. He ran out to the grocery store. There's only one thing that we forgot, so he went to go get that. But while I wait, I'm gonna show you these Pellegrino essences real quick. So there are 3 of them. The first is a lemon and lemon zest. The middle one is a tangerine and wild strawberry. That one is my favorite. And then the last one is a dark morello cherry and pomegranate. These definitely have a Mediterranean feel to them. So that is the style of the dish that we're having for dinner tonight. And I wanted to put them in order of the lightest to the fullest of like what they pair with. So this one is really great with salads, appetizers, anything on the lighter side. And then this one's really great with like white meat chicken, pasta, anything a little bit heavier. And this one is great for like really rich foods, so red meat or chocolate, almost anything that you'd have for dessert would be really great with this one. And these are especially great for like going to the beach or picnics at the park if you like to bring a nice meal with you and go do something like that, which we do stuff like that all the time in the warmer months. Chef Chad is home. He's in the house. What are we having?
All right, so we have our chicken and, let me kind of start over.
Okay, Chef Chad, what are we having?
We are grilling chicken kebabs that we marinated in yogurt and onion.
How long?
About 2 hours, but the longer the better, because then it gets really flavorful. We made the saffron rice that we cooled off, so it's kind of like a summery room temp salad. And we're gonna add garbanzo beans or chickpeas, cucumber, feta cheese, and olives. And then to dress it up, we're gonna do some lemon and some olive oil and just some fresh mint.
good. I'm sure you can hear the basketball in the background, but I never showed you the new vanity for the little bathroom, so I'm gonna show you right now. The lighting out here is not the greatest, but this is what it looks like. It's really light. It's not white. It's like a super, super light gray. I can't remember where we found this online, but I will have a link for it. And then this is actually attached and it just slides in and out. Let me open that all the way. So that is really handy for like hair products, everyday products. Lotion, you just slide that in and out, and then there's a little bit of space right here. Oh, there's like a bunch of packaging up there. That's why this won't open all the way, but there are 3 drawers right here, and then it's open on the bottom for towels. And the sink is really, really big. It's like way bigger than my sink. We need to get a faucet for up there. And this is everything that we got at Home Depot. So we got Chad another towel rack right here. I don't know what this is. That was just some bags. He got a toilet paper holder. He wanted this one because they had a picture at the store and it had a phone right here, and he was like, wow, I need that. So yes, a toilet paper holder. Oh, there it is. A toilet paper holder with a phone holder on top of it. And these are the towel hooks that he got. It's the same one as mine, but obviously in a different color. And the finish of everything is a flat silver. And then a toilet, and this is the same toilet that I have too. And one more thing under the towel holder, is there a picture? It's upside down, so you probably can't even tell what it is, but there's a shelf here, and then right here is hooks for towels. So it's supposed to go right above a toilet instead of having like a hand towel on the side of the wall. It's above the toilet. It is smaller in there, I keep saying that, so I think something like this is gonna be a really great space saver. And that's everything for this video, guys. We ended right where we started. Thank you so much for spending the time with me today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe if you're new. Also in the comments, write what you guys want to see next on my channel. And I will see you right here in a few days in a brand new video. Bye!